How to hug her so she can't help but fall for you. Many guys think a hug is just a hug, a casual greeting, a simple hello, but what they don't realize is that in those few seconds of touch, there's a powerful tool for connection. When you trigger the right signals, a hug becomes more than a touch. It becomes a bond. Today, I'll walk you through 3 secrets to make your embrace unforgettable. First, let's clear this up. Touch isn't just touch. It's a language all on its own. Her body is reading your touch, how you place your hands, how much pressure you give the timing. And when you do it right, you create feelings of safety, strength, and yes, attraction. Let's break it down. Secret 1. The key spot for your hand. Where you place your hand is the first message you send. Most guys will go for the upper back or a quick pat. That's neutral friendly. But the real power move? Place your hand on her lower back, just above the hips. It's not a romantic zone, it's a grounding one. That part of her body links to stability. When you rest your palm there, calm and sure, you send a message of security. You're not just physically present, you're emotionally grounded. Secret 2. The solid embrace. A loose, half-hearted hug doesn't convey confidence. It reads as unsure, like you're asking for permission to be close. Your hug should feel like a confident embrace. Firm, steady pressure that wraps around her, but without squeezing too tight. This creates an instant sense of safety. She should feel held, not just touched. That feeling of being fully enclosed is what creates comfort and deepens the connection. Now the final secret. Secret 3. The lingering touch. The release is just as important as the embrace itself. Don't just pull away abruptly. The final touch stays with her long after you let go. As you lean back, let one hand trail slowly along her arm, or give a gentle brush at the back of her neck. It's not a grab, it's a soft, respectful touch. The neck is sensitive, and a brief touch there leaves a lasting impression. It speaks trust, and it speaks dominance without a word. She'll feel that lingering touch long after you've let go, and her mind will keep rewinding to it. Now understand this, the difference between a guy who's average and a guy who's magnetic isn't in grand gestures, it's in these small, subtle details, these little moments that speak to her subconscious. You now have the blueprint to turn a simple hug into something that ignites deeper attraction. Use this knowledge with respect, confidence, and only when the interest is real. If this has changed the way you look at every future interaction, hit that like button.